So I'll try to speak like examiner, right? Okay, we start with IELTS speaking part 1. And do you like to plan what you will do each day?
Not really. Actually, I'm a bit unmanageable person, you can say. Sometimes I
Speed up.
okay.
Yeah.
What we call it, to wake up late in the mornings, and usually my family doesn't like that thing, especially my father. He always criticized this bad habit, but I'm into it, and unfortunately.
And what's the question? Do you like to plan what you do each day?
Somehow it can
You
be.
need to answer directly to the point according to the question, and don't
The
tell
question
is, do you like to plan what you do each day? So I do like to plan, or I don't like to plan.
I don't like to
and
plan,
then
yeah.
give the reasons for your answer. That's it.
Okay.
So
Could you please repeat the question?
sure. Lights, camera,
Action.
action. Do you like to plan what you do each day?
Not really. I don't like to plan things. I just want to let the things go as they are supposed to.
Okay. Please describe your typical daily routine.
Okay. Well, I woke up a bit late.
Wake up.
I wake up a bit late, and just as everyone did his first thing once.
Look at me.
Okay. I brush my teeth and just.
You don't need to
ready
tell
for
these
the-
basic things, then you will shower also. Don't tell me these basic things. Just like, the topic is describe your typical daily routine. Well, my typical day starts at 6
Okay.
o'clock, and then I rush to my office. There I've got a busy day. At 5 I return home, then I attend my IELTS classes, and at night I have dinner and go to sleep.
Okay.
Just you got to talk like this.
I thought I have to mention everything.
No, you don't need to, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you shower every Sunday?
No, not.
All
really.
right, that's okay. You can shower once in a Sunday, once a month, and all that. That's good. Let's move on. What is your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time.
Smile.
Once I came back home.
Yeah.
And,
once I come back home.
I come back home and meet with my family.
Listen. This is indirect. What's your favorite time of the day? Now, what is the time of the day? Morning, evening, afternoon, night, and then you can answer further. First, tell me what's your favorite time of the day. My favorite time of the day is evening, especially when I return from my office and I meet my family members. I like that time very like this.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what's your favorite time of the day?
I love evenings, particularly once I came back I come back from office and meet my family, and that is the most beautiful time I love to spend with my family.
Okay. How do you plan your day?
As I told you earlier, I'm not that good in planning the days, but yes, if I need to be more particular, I need to manage things regarding my office schedules and my events, upcoming events.
Okay. What's your favorite day of the week?
I love Sundays.
Why?
Actually, I don't need to do anything, and I have to spend all my day with my family and meeting my friends, and we mostly go for the movies and shopping and etc. So that is the reason I love my Sunday.
Okay, this is all good, but sometimes your answers become irrelevant.
Yep.
The first thing. And the second most important thing is, most of the time you are terribly slow.
Indeed.
Okay, so these two things you must overcome. Now, when I say slow, I don't want you to be fast. I don't want you to be fast and furious.
Yeah.
I want you to be fluent.
Indeed.
Right? And another thing, you do not maintain eye contact. It's just like you're talking to yourself. Right? Although no marking criteria for body language, eye contact, there is no marking criteria. But it's a good idea to look at the examiner. Right? Make your answers more relevant to the questions, and that is only possible if you understand the question.
Right.
And second thing, you have to increase or improve your fluency. One thing is you speak like this.
Okay.
One is like that. The pendulum that's going on, it should be a little faster.
Right.
Right? You should practice.
Unfortunately, the words are maneuvering above my head, so I'm just trying to collect them. And
all right. I'll give you a solution to that also. For that, you need to give a medical certificate to IELTS speaking examiner.
No.
Okay. No, not for stammering.
Okay.
Some other reason. Then they will give you extra time and they will listen to you and all that. Okay.
I'll definitely go for that.
Yeah, maybe you can pretend that I'm a slow learner.
Yeah.
Yeah, slow learners, they're normal. They're normal people, but they learn the things slowly. So you can say I'm a slow learner, then they'll give you time. Okay. All right. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Good job.